I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Setting up two-factor authentication 2FA on your Epic Games account is a great way to enhance your security. Here is a simple guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Log into your Epic Games account. Visit the Epic Games website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the email associated with your account, as you may need it for verification. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, click on your account name in the top right corner and select account from the drop-down menu. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage security options. Step 3. Enable two-factor authentication. In the account settings, find the password and security section. Here, you will see the option for two-factor authentication. Click on the option to enable it. Step 4. Choose your 2FA method. You can choose to receive your 2FA codes via an authentication app or email. If you select an authentication app, download one like Google Authenticator or Authy and follow the prompts to link it to your Epic Games account. Step 5. Confirm and test. After setting up your preferred method, Epic Games will send a verification code to your email or app. Enter this code to confirm that 2FA is working correctly. It is a good idea to log out and try logging back in to ensure everything is set up properly. Remember, enabling 2FA is a crucial step in keeping your account secure. If you run into any issues, double check your email settings or the app you chose for authentication. Happy gaming!